Last time,
on Cruising Joan Lynn,
Joan and I spend the weekend with our new friends in Sylvan Beach on Oneida Lake's east end.
We're having a good time with good friends.
No, I just think you should slow down. This is what, your third water?
back to our stupid boat.
Oh my God, our boat sucks. All right, so Donna,
Yes.
We're standing outside what they call the world's craziest ride.
How did you do?
It was crazy.
We say goodbye and continue our cruise backtracking across Oneida Lake, then westbound through New York State's Erie Canal. This episode of Cruising Joan Lynn.
Let's begin now.
360. I woke up this morning and I said, instead of waiting for a good day to happen, waiting around through ups and downs, I just said, look.
We're gonna have a good day, and all my homies wanna ride today, and all these mamas look fly today, and all we wanna do is get by today. Hey, we're gonna have a good day, and ain't nobody gotta cry today, 'cause ain't nobody gonna die today. You can save that trouble for another day. Hey, we're gonna have a good day.
We woke up in our cabin on yet another beautiful summer morning, and this time with a cooler full of ice, thanks to our new ice maker. Monday, July 1st. I don't feel like moving, but we will be taking off this morning and heading back out to the Erie Canal. Really don't know where we're going to be headed today, but most likely Baldwinsville. And we have major laundry to do, so I'm hoping that there's a laundromat. Rumor has it there is one. Well, we're filling up our water supply. Jim's gonna head out on his raft and push a dead carp out into the water a bit more so it's not hanging around here stinking up the place. Again.
Big hug.
All right, bring it in, Jimbo.
All right.
Okay, it was very, very nice. Thank you so much.
Call me up when you get across
Yeah.
the lake.
All right.
So we know you're safe.
Okay.
We said our goodbyes to Jim and Donna, then made our way to the pump out station, and then to the fuel dock before heading out onto Oneida Lake.
Alright, we're about 2/3 of the way across Oneida Lake, and I can tell you this, the east side of the lake is much more choppy than the west side of the lake. But we are looking good, and I suspect that we will be back in the Erie Canal in about 15 to 20 minutes.
We kept our promise to Jim and Donna and called them when we reached the other side of Oneida Lake.
Donna, Jim. We're good. We just made it across the lake, and we are it's there's probably about 2-3 foot chop on the east end of the lake. Yeah. Okay. Sounds good. All right. Take care. Have a good day.
After passing through Lock 23, it was a calm and beautiful cruise west along the Erie Canal to Baldwinsville.
We just passed through Lock 23, and we are headed to Baldwinsville. And there are no locks between here and Baldwinsville, which means that we only have the Baldwinsville lock to go through before we settle in for the night. But we do have about what, John?
20 miles.
We got 20 miles on the Erie Canal before we hit our destination. And 4 hours maybe, I'd say. And we should be hunkered in for the evening.
We're going to go down and make some lunch.
Ooh, what are we having for lunch?
Sandwich, turkey sandwich.
Sweet. Haven't had one of those in 16 hours. Woohoo! My wife Makes the best turkey sandwiches ever.
We're approaching an area of the Erie Canal called the Three Rivers.
The Three Rivers Junction describes the place where the Oneida River and the Seneca River merge to become the Oswego River, and where the Erie Canal and the Oswego Canal meet. It's a significant junction for loopers who decide here whether to take the Erie Canal west across New York State to the Niagara River or continue north to Lake Ontario. Alright, we have made our turn before on the Seneca River, and we got to go around kind of a big loop kind of thing past the Onondaga Lake, and that will be up in Baldwinsville. Hard to say. Can't say that 3 times fast. Let's try. Baldwinsville. No. Lot 24 from Vessel Joan Lynn, over.
This is Lot 24.
Lot 24, just wondering what the ETA is for westbound traffic.
I can have the doors open for you in just about 5 minutes, maybe less.
Okay, very good, thank you, Joan Lynn. Stand by. When we arrived at the Baldwinsville town wall, we found that there was not enough room left to tie up. We later spoke to a few loopers who were also frustrated with the locals, who apparently bring their boats to the wall several days before the 4th of July fireworks to secure a spot, leaving no room for traveling boaters who have no choice. But first come, first served, despite the economic effect it plays on tourism in this town. Well, we reached Baldwinsville, but we got some bad news. When we got here, we realized that there was no room left on the wall. We did set up the generator, and we'll run that. And we do have a full tank of fresh water, so that's good. That'll definitely get us through till tomorrow.
We were lucky in that we found one spot left on a dock opposite the wall.
We found ourselves docked on Paper Mill Island, which has a small park and an amphitheater which holds concerts and events throughout the summer. We were on our last pairs of underwear, so we were fortunate to find a laundromat in town and spent the afternoon waiting around for all the laundry to be done.
Waiting on our laundry.
Only to have to lug it all back to the boat. Good morning. It is Tuesday, July 2nd. And we just woke up a short time ago and we're getting ready to leave because we have a long journey from Baldwinsville to our destination for today, which I think is going to be Clyde. Well, today we'll be going through the Montezuma Wildlife Refuge. We're gonna pack it up now, and we had a little rain overnight, so things are kind of drying out, but we expect it to clear up as the day progresses.
We crept over to a nearby marina to buy some fuel before continuing westward through the Erie Canal. We just left Cooper's Marina and filled up our little gas can for the generator, and we are heading west on the Erie Canal. Our next destination is about 30 miles away, Mays Point. That's the next block. Hopefully we won't have the same problem we had last night where there was no space on the wall. So we'll wait and see what happens when we get there.
And we are running the generator during this trip just to keep the ice maker working. Why buy it when we can make it? So. Cloudy skies. It's a bit muggy. It's about 80 degrees. Jim and Donna, we're making ice, baby. We're making ice. Alright, we are going to take a sharp turn to starboard and enter Cross Lake right now. This area here, which looks like it's very shallow, and they even call it an island, even though I can't see the island from above the surface of the water. And then we're going to head back into the Erie Canal once we cross Cross Lake.
Now I smell the rain, I'm with it pain, and it's in it my way. Sometimes I grow so tired, but I know I've got one thing I've got to do. Run on! Now's the time is now. Sing my song. I'm going round the world, I gotta find my girl.
It is now 10 minutes to 1 in the afternoon, and we've gone probably over 20 miles. Still got a ways to go.
Got no time to spend and weep. The time has come to be gone. And though I have regret 1,000 times, it's time to revel on.
We are at Lock 26 in Clyde, last of the locks for today, and we only have a few minutes before we get to our destination, and I hope that we can actually find space. I'm hopeful that we will.
Roll up for the magical mystery tour. Step right this way. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up, it's an invitation. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up to make a reservation. Roll up for the mystery tour. The magical mystery tour is waiting to take you away. Waiting to take you away. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up, get it to me. Roll up for the mystery tour. Roll up.
Next time,
On Cruising Joan Lynn.
we tie the lines in Clyde, New York for the evening,
You watching me do all the work?
then make our way west through the Erie Canal to the town of Palmyra. We got to town probably about an hour ago, and everything's closed.
Sorry it's so loud.
No further comment on the subject. I'm the king of the world! Before reaching Macedon, New York, in this final episode, now our trip is almost over, of our Erie Canal loop. And we've had a couple of close calls.